nag-walking medyo guys. Kayang view. Just this one. Di ba? Nice kayo siya. Nice kayang mga building. Walking me while nagulat sa among walking. So another church. Nice kayo siya guys. Ano kayo siya? Cute kayo. Sama na siyang nasa likod. That's over there. Nice kayang view. Siya guys. Nice kayo. So mauna siya ang closer look. Dagan kay park din hi guys. Nandot kay Drika. Dagan kay park. Dili siya init ang ilang city. Ano siyang front. Diba? Dagan kay silang park. Dagan katambayan. Dili init ang ilang city. So ito ang Krakow Market Square guys. Here we are again. Sama niya mo group tour.
Sabi ako?
So ito ang view guys dito sa taas. Ito ang first university sa unang panahon. This side. So, muna siyang university guys. Ako mga kagrupo. Diba? Dagan kasi lang may nani park, kakahuyan. Dili kay init diri ay. Nature lovers kit sila guys.
A monastery. In the 13th century, the Polish kings realized also that it's important to invite religious orders to Krakow. So one of the first ones is exactly because we have
So ito po ang cathedral, Stanislaw.
So it always depends on who started writing what people were saying in the city. So the oral tradition has this animal they saw here was a dragon, so that's where you have the bones. Yeah.
It's very graceful.
From Sweden. So the Baroque style and the Renaissance style. The kids are crazy with here that you would build the house of the king at the beginning as a 2-story floor like building and make it for Poland. So the artists make the collection, they have it all around the palace, but when they die they pass it to Poland. If you visit the castles on that side and you go
Guys, Mr. View. 10 minutes ka sa taas. The view. Ilalo mo. Very swell. Timur.
No, igual to I bez samolotu. Bo ty tam mamy wysokość około 10 km.
So ito yung view guys. Nandito kami sa St. Mary's Tower. Yung tower na nakikita sa video ko. Ito yun siya. Here is the other side. So this side. This side. Wow, kita-kita. Ito siya ang kwan guys. Dago kayo. So this side naman guys. City. This side naman. Sobrang kainit today. Old na Talking down on it guys. So namin there is a museum guys. So mo ni ang Krakow sa unang panahon. So mo na ang cemetery nila guys. Naapay mga bones. So there guys. But who are these people?
Just general people.
Maganda guys, I must visit underground museum. Another door for today guys. So what's this? The BARBICAN, huh? BARBICAN walls. Another stairs. Sakit na kaya akong pa. Okay. Not very walkable lang ako. Sandal na isuot for today. Sumo na siya guys. Nanamig diri sa sunod. behind the wall. Siya, guys. Hello guys, so it's Saturday, so another day tour. So ito yung another part sa kuan.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
So we're going up guys. So ito yung nasa taas guys. Stairs. So ito yung sa second floor. So galing na kami doon. Who is this man?
I don't know.
So ito yung makita guys. Mga building. So nice ang weather today guys. Pero mo naman nga muulan daw pero hopefully not na daga na kay tips. So mo ni ang downtown. Nami sa city wall. Here. Nice guys. So, ito pala yung ST.FLORIAN'S gate guys. Ito yung chapel niya. So, diha ka mo agi guys before ka makasud sa city. So, ito yung sa other side. Dako ni siya. So, so, galing na kami dyan. Thank you. Nag-go tour. There. Guys. Nice kayong weather today. So, mana na dyan tour guys. So, na dito ang gate. So, mauna siya diha ang gate. Gutom na gutom.